Hey guys, as you know that Opus 5 is released yesterday, and now it is one of the most we can say top AI model throughout the US, Chinese, anywhere like world we can say. So the benchmarks it set is one of the best I can say, right, as of now we can use. So they are comparing. If you see the benchmarks here, they are directly posted it here, and this is one of the we can say that most kind of scoring model for Anthropic. So let's directly jump in the main agenda of this video, how we can access this Opus 5 with $0 with free credits. As I mentioned that 1500 credits we can use to access this, and extra 25 usage to access Opus 5. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one platform that is providing, and we are going to access that platform using temp email ID, right? I'm going to use as a workspace here. Okay, so let's directly jump into that. So I'm talking about ClickUp. So ClickUp directly sign up it here, and we are going to use one of the temp email here, temp student email if you search, and I'm going to use this email, tempemail.edu.ge. So we can set our own username. I will set my code works yt simply, and directly we will get a mail here as a temporary email. Now I'm going to click on get started. It's free. Again, we have created a video on this. I have already created on this, but now I'm going to show you how we can access Opus 5 and that we can utilize the 1500 credits also. So let's click on sign up for free, and once we are done with this, we are going to access the Opus 5. So let's fill this, and the password we can fill it. Okay, so let's click on sign up with email, and as you can see that we will get a OTP here simply. So guys, you can use this particular temp email platform, and if you see here we got 2658, and let me enter it 2658. So now we are properly we can say that we are signed up with this particular platform, and let's click on school, and then we can say IT or any other you want, TikTok and whatever, like let's skip this, and again next, skip this, next, next, and we can put as a Nycode works yt space, right, and let's finish it. Okay, so once the workspace is created here, we will get access of 25 usage of any AI Pro models, and then 1500 credits. I'm going to show you how we can access that 1500 credits using to utilize Opus 5. So let me show you. First thing, let's click on AI. First thing, directly let's click on AI. If you see here, we are getting this particular icon AI, and that's brain square, right? We are getting, and that's it guys. We are able to access Opus 5 here. If you see here Opus 5, Claude ka Opus 5 is we are able to access perfectly here, right? So if you select this, we will be able to access this. If directly simply I say hi, that will be a one usage. That makes sure that you utilize this in a optimized way. So we already used one usage, and we have 25 or 24 more uses. Now if you see here credit left 1500 credits it's saying, but how we can use this? If you see here AI super credits, right? So AI super credits, how we can use AI cards, AI field, and AI task, ambient autopilot agents, super agents. So make sure that this one important thing, super agent, they are talking about, we can also use it in for image generation. Now we are going to use this particular 1500 credits by creating a super agent here. Let's directly jump into this chat, and I will ask this directly here, create a super agent prompt for ClickUp. Let's directly ask this particular platform itself, and I will save this particular super agent prompt so that we can share it, we can use it directly instead of wasting this usage here, right? So let's make it a prompt here simply, and we can use this prompt to create a super agent. It's taking a little time, and let's wait a few minutes. So it's saying that, but instead of this we can ask in this way. Okay, generate a prompt to create a agent that can search code, generate anything when we asked, same as Opus 5 model. Let's give more time and create the super agent prompt first. Okay, then with that agent, the prompt, we are going to create a super agent. But before that, let's make sure that we get the particular prompt very perfect, so that we can utilize this Opus. I will tell you how we can use this Opus 5 in directly here, but I'll make sure that we get some useful things from that particular agent. Otherwise it will hallucinate, or it may be it just work around the ClickUp only. So here they are saying polymath is a Parker. Okay, directly let's access this particular agent here directly. So this ClickUp already have this agent, or maybe this particular prompt already created that. And let's ask this. First thing, let's change some trick. We can do this to particular agent so that it access through Opus 5. Let's open this particular agent first and edit, right? If you see here polymath Parker, it's created one super agent, right? Now let's click on this auto and select this Opus 5. Save changes. Okay, now I don't want to go with next. Now my question will be, hey, can you build, or we can say generate ask. Let's click on ask. Okay, generate a HTML based blog on Claude Opus 5. That's it. And guys, it will start working on this. Once it start working on this, you will see there is the credit usage here. Okay, because we are using an agent here, and that agent itself using Opus 5 here. So let's wait little time, and with this way we can utilize this 1.5 credits that is we are getting. Now this is one temporary account. We can create n number of temporary account and utilize this. So in this way we can access Opus 5 unlimited way till it's not getting blocked, right? So if one temporary email is getting blocked, you can try out another temporary email that will be like edu email, and from that way you can again sign up with this platform and access it here. Till that it's creating a blog for us. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, and please subscribe, click on bell icon for more updates whenever I upload any video, so that you can reach my video at earliest. And please support me guys. I'm creating some an amazing video for you guys to utilize AI models free of cost and with $0 access or free of access with like this kind of tutorial. So please support me, and let's wait for this. So if you see here, right, this created a HTML based blog here. If you click on this particular link, you will get access. So if you see here, it's perfectly created, one of the best we can say, or the model, right? I mean the blog on Opus 5, and using Opus 5, right? So if you see the way it created everything perfectly, I will use this particular for my own blog, and I will write this particular blog on my platform, right? So guys, this way we can access Opus 5 easily, and we can utilize this. If I go now, maybe it is now 0, but when we refresh it, we will see there is a credits usage. If you see here, total cost $0.04 it used and run one, right? So again, if you go here, maybe the credit is utilized, but now it's not updated. It will be updated soon, right? So in this way we can access this perfectly way. And if you are facing any issue, guys, please let me in the comment section. I will help you out. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and we'll meet in next video with new platform with new tip and tricks. Till then, bye bye.